Okay guys, I'm looking at the RB this morning, and I had just missed this breakout here when I looked at the chart, so I drew the line here. It did break out, and I'm just waiting to see if we get a decent retracement here and see if we get a signal. Again, I start the day by starting with my screen scrunched up all the way. If you're starting your day out like this, it's really hard to get an idea of what exactly is going on. Okay, so scrunch your screen up, look at the overnight session, what happened, look at yesterday, what happened. Does it give you any clues? What can you do to start building a case? Okay, we don't want to just indiscriminately start taking yellow arrows just because you heard Dave say yellow is his favorite arrow. There's many reasons to why the yellow entry is my favorite. Okay, but I still take all of the entries. I know that there's some of you that turn off your reds or your reds and blues, or your blue and yellow and just take reds. But I don't do that. That's okay if that's working for you. It's fine. That's why I set the system up that way. But they all have a purpose, and we have to put thought. We have to put planning, strategy into the setups that we take.
RB trade alert.
Order submitted. Order
RB trade
filled.
alert. Sell signal 3.
Alright, so let's go ahead and mark this up. So this is the breakout trade. We're up to Renko Kings 2.4 right now. We broke out of this area here, retraced, cut a nice signal, and this is why I don't turn my reds off. Majority, probably 3/4 of the breakout trades are red entries, so that's why I don't turn those off.
Target filled.
Okay, nice. So we got our first target there. Okay, nice. Let's take a look here, see how long this run was. So we draw that line and we extend it over here. And my target is just below the length of that run. It's just a little trick. Doesn't mean that that's how far it's going to come down, but it gives you an idea.
Target filled.
Nice. Nice. You can see we extended. We went past the approximation of where I thought that run might go, but wow. That's RB. That's a 5-to-1 on my last target, guys. So 36 plus 72 plus 180. Wow, 288. Nice. Wow. And it's early too. It's only 9:50. It's an early day. Nice. Nice. Okay. So let's just review a little bit, okay, guys? How did today start? Okay? Okay, it started by me scrunching up my charts. Okay, I still have quite a few of you that send me charts that look like this. Okay, and you want me to analyze. Did you do it right? Did you do it wrong? Was it a good trade? Was it not a good trade? I can't see the whole picture, guys, and neither can you. Okay, so I scrunch my charts up, and you can see that we have some highs over here. At the end of the day yesterday. And the overnight session, yeah, there's a little bit of a pullback, no big deal. But what happened? In the overnight session, it stayed below the yellow trend line. It didn't go up and break out through this or even go up and retest it. It just kept falling. Okay? So that's some information. You know, we're kind of building our case, right? We're trying to figure out how many things can we put into our favor to build a case. Okay, Dave did not just say take a red entry, take a yellow entry. Okay, I like to use some logic. Okay, so I went ahead and I drew my breakout area, right? So how, let me just remove these. Okay, how did I decide to where to put my breakout area? Okay, well, here's the high of the overnight session. Okay, so I'll put the line right above it so I'm not covering the line, so you can see why I did that. Alright, and then here's the low of the overnight session. Okay, I missed this breakout right here. Otherwise, I could have taken this. Okay, but I had already missed the signal. Okay, so I redrew it down here. Okay, to break that low. And we did. We broke it right here. We broke out. It was definitive. There was no question about it. I think we have a definitive direction for the day, or at least for this move. Okay, not for the day, but for this move. And we retraced and we got a valid signal. It's a nice clean setup, so I took it. We got our 1-to-1, our 2-to-1, and then down here we cut our 5-to-1. Okay, so this is just a textbook breakout trade. Please hear me clearly what I'm saying, and try and take notes when you're watching these videos so you can step by step understand the process of what I did, so you can apply this logic to your own trades. Okay, nobody's going to do this for you. Okay, you're not gonna find somebody to manage your account and trade your account and watch your money like you will. Nobody looks over your money like you look over your money, okay? So you have to learn how to do this. You have to do this yourself. And I've got the tools here for you to do it. You can do this. I've done all the work for you. You just have to put in the time and the practice and put some logic into it and put some effort into it. It's not going to come in a week or 10 days. That's silly. That's not going to happen, okay? But put the time in it. It takes as long as it takes for you. But I promise you, the reward is well worth the amount of time and practice that you're going to put into this, okay? When you go to my YouTube channel, make sure that you go and you visit, what do they call it? The description section, okay? I started putting in the description, the first few lines of every description. I put what instrument I traded, what type of setup the trade was, if there was any type of pertinent or special discussion on anything, I put some notes in there, and then I put the profit or loss, for the day there also. Okay, so if you're trying to, look for a double bottom setup and understand that, or if you're interested in watching a bunch of breakout trades or stair stepping or whatever it is, you can go and at least check out the description area, and it has that information there to help you find the videos that for the content you're trying to learn about. Okay, so nice day today, easy day. They're not always easy, and appreciate them when you get them, because there's lots of tough days out there. So we get to pack up early today and go enjoy the rest of the day. So if you guys have any questions, please send me emails, and I'm always happy to help. Okay, thanks.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.